when the documents were in place. Buford.
Yeah.
Buford, you listen?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Now get this. That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate the funds, and then
Намели малинево, налево ловили для меня, вы ловили меня, любили меня, любимила, молили, в туман или мана, молили меня. Вот так мы дьяволов изгоняем.
Oh my God, I knew you didn't love me.
Which one? Pick. Okay. She picked mermaid. Okay. Yeah. Which one? Okay. Got a contour with that pretty bronzer you picked. Whoa. Got a special mermaid palette. Okay. She went for neutral, but I think we're gonna do that one. Got you a special mermaid brush. Yeah, it's so pretty. Yes, ma'am. Glitter mascara. Whoa. I love it. Yes, ma'am. I got you this mermaid thing, too. Oh, my. Oh, my gosh. Look at your tail. Boop.
Morning. Hi.
That's not how you hold a baby, Senna. That's not how you hold a baby, Senna. Senna, that's not how you hold a baby. James, get him. What kind of babysitter are you, James? Senna. Thank you. Yeah. Save the baby. Senna.
I love you. 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 I love you more. I love you more. I love you more. I love you more. No, I love you more. 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 So we are okay to say that I won. I won this time. Yes, I won this time. I won this time, en fait. I love you.
Minushka, do you have comment? Your husband was taken to the gulag and now all you have to eat are beets to feed your children. Minushka, do you have a comment?
What? Okay, what just happened? Are you alright?
Stay. Hold still. No, don't touch. Don't touch. No, don't touch. Okay. You can do it. You can do it. You can do this. You can do it. You can do it. There you go. Oh!
I think you all know what's coming. Good morning, Gun. Look at that tongue. Are you hungry? Oh, baby hiss. Yummy, yummy. And now we got the big guy. Bye.
Don't step on my baby.
You're excited, aren't you? I know. You need to run it out. Okay. Okay. Go.
Y'all, look at my kitty. I just got Cool Ranch Dorito dust on my cat. I'm so sorry. You good, bro? All right.
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man.
밥 먹을 거야. 보자, 보자.
Okay.
Multi-pet household challenge. Show your oldest, your youngest, your biggest goofball, the one who gets in trouble the most, the one who never does anything wrong, and the best trained.
What'd you get? What's that? What else is in there, George? What is that? Let's open it up. What is that, George? It's from your friend Tracy, George.